Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. We're away!
We are.
First of the season, and we're at Piper's Heights.
We are, said because it's our wedding anniversary, 35 years, flowers
35
and cards,
years.
yeah, we're doing well. We come to Piper's Heights because it's fully serviced, hard standing, and if the weather's bad, like you can hear it rain at the moment, they've got a nice shower block, underfloor heating, so it's really nice and toasty, and
the drainage is really good as well.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't tend to flood. It's a really good site for that. So we were thinking, because we've come away for a specific reason, not just to go away in the caravan, haven't we?
No, we have. You're a special treat. We saw it and we thought, yeah, we've got to do this.
I think we mentioned it briefly in another video, but we've come to Piper's Heights because it's not far from Blackpool, and we've actually got tickets for the Winter Gardens. And we're going to an 80s weekend, aren't we?
It is, and also there's a special guest, and it's...
Special guest, Heaven 17. So we're getting a band as well, which we're really looking forward to seeing. So it got us thinking, do you have to use your caravan just to go away on holiday? Or can you use it for other things? And I think the answer's, yeah, you can.
Yeah. I mean, say you've got your rallies, there's said... Eileen said she uses it for work because she goes and does all the shows.
Yeah, she uses it as part of her business.
Yeah, who does pet supply, so they do that. I said Graham recently, he's been, he went to London, didn't he? Yeah. Yeah,
he went to London, but he goes to Brighton a lot because he does go on about it. Because he likes going to see shows, and he uses the van as his accommodation. And we're doing the same this weekend, basically, aren't we? And we just got us thinking, you know, there must be 101 uses for a caravan other than just going on holiday. And we thought, well, I'd love to know what you use your caravan for, apart from holidays. Do you use it for work, or do you use it for other leisure activities? We'd love to hear from you. But for us, it's starting to become more than just holidays, isn't it?
It is, because now Alfie lives up in Cumbria. We go up there and take the caravan up there, because recently we went up there and we stayed in a hotel.
And it was expensive, and it wasn't pleasant.
And it was uncomfortable.
Yeah.
You couldn't relax. You couldn't make anything to eat. It was hard work making a brew. And we thought, you know, next time, even if we're just going up, we're going to take the caravan.
I might have to take the Aquaroll and Wastemaster though, which I'm not really looking forward to. But if it means we can see Alfie and we can stay a little bit longer and utilise the caravan, then it's a perfect opportunity, isn't it?
I've heard people that said they go and visit family, say a wedding, they've gone to a CL or something nearby, and said instead of paying all the money for an hotel, they've stayed in the caravan. Yeah,
I mean, we've brought all our best bib and tucker ready for Saturday night. I've even got my dancing shoes with me, so I doubt I'll be dancing like, but we're gonna go anyway and enjoy ourselves. So like I say, if you use your caravan for anything other than just holidays, drop us a line in the comments and let us know. It might be something that we haven't thought of, and it might be something we might want to do as well.
It might be.
So yeah, just like to hear your thoughts on the subject. Well, we're gonna go now. It's only a short video, this, but we've got plenty more coming up through the season. We've got one or two product reviews coming that we didn't anticipate.
No, we are.
So we'll be taking a look at them. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again. Bye for now.